friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a paper bow. So quickly get a square paper and scissors. First fold diagonally to make a triangle. Open it and fold it the opposite way. Open it and fold it in half. Open it and fold it the opposite way. Open it and fold it into a triangle on this crease. Then push these two sides inside. Now we got a diamond. Fold this tip like this. Open the folds. Crease on these lines. Then push these two sides inside this and push this inside. Press these two inside. Now it looks like this. Then bring this edge to this line. Do the same on the other side also. Do the same on the opposite side also. Now we have to open this like this. Now we have to cut these places. Don't cut it over here on this line. Bring this flap to this flap, then bring this edge to this line. Bring these flaps to the other side and bring this edge to this line. And then bring these this side. Do the same on the opposite side also. Now if you want, you can stick these two flaps. Now I'm not sticking it. Then let's keep it together and we have to cut on this line until this mark. Now fold this like this and bring this like this. Do the same on this side also. Now let's fold it like this and then we have to cut it like this. Open this fold. Then we have to bring this corner and put it inside this. Do the same on this side also. Okay. Now our paper bow is ready. Hope you could make the paper bow. You can give this to your friends or keep it on gift boxes. You can also pin it to your dress. Make the paper bow and let me know it in the comments. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.